Well, this looks interesting. Somebody playing music? I wonder where. Oh, Harley's at Harley Davidson, Paris, Texas. Took the wife's Jaguar up there, obviously to meet a bunch of other really cool cars. And several of them were not just beauties, they were bad to the bone, I guess you would say. There were scads of cars that showed up to the first Friday of every month car meet at Paris, Texas, Paris Harley Davidson. Tons of really great people with smiles on their faces everywhere. And these folks came from all over the North Texas area. So happy they did. So if they're in a great mood, let's take a look and see what they were looking at. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. And if you're a Rumble, please follow. Every first Friday, Paris Harley Davidson puts on a biker appreciation event. And of course, I'm showing them bringing the bikes back in at the end of the day. Nonetheless, it is a very, very nice event for you bikers. Now, for us and our automobiles, this is just a fantastic event. Every first Friday of every month, 6 p.m., just haul on out, bring your ride, or just come and gander at all the cool cars. So yeah, first Friday night, 6 p.m., Paris, Texas, at the Paris Harley Davidson out on the Loop. In this video, we have cars that come from Cooper, Sulphur Springs, Royce City, of course Paris, and just multiple other small towns in the area. So thank you one and all who had arrived to this wonderful little car meet. I really do appreciate it. This was initiated by Larry Young. He has got the beautiful Nova as well as many other fine cars. So Larry started it. Myself, as Road Odyssey, do everything I can to support him and this event, as well as Jimmy. You'll see his Z06, C7 Z06 throughout this video, but he has been helpful as well. So thank all of y'all who came. Thank Larry and Jimmy for bringing this thing about. So the three of us really enjoy hosting this and seeing all of y'all show up in your wonderful rides. So let me play a little music as usual. And there are really lots of cool cars in this video. So I would encourage you to, either index through and look for what you like, or just sit back with a drink and enjoy this. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. I know you drove. I like that. That's cool, man. I'm starting to wind down. Again, thanking everybody from Sulphur Springs, Cooper, Reno, Honey Grove, Royce City, just all over, coming out to Paris, Texas to join us on this first Friday of every month, Paris, Texas, at the Paris Harley Davidson on Loop 286, 6 p.m. It is a wonderful event. So let's watch a lot of these rides as they leave. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow if you're on Rumble. And relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.